Hi, welcome to another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question. Choose a different question by clicking on the information card here. And if you want to try and do the question yourself, I suggest you pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't, I shall explain. The units of physical quantities can be expressed in terms of their fundamental base units of the SI system. In which line in the table are the fundamental units correctly matched to the physical quantity? So let's quickly go through these. Charge is equal to current times time. So that means a coulomb is equal to an amp second. No, because that's an amp per second, not an amp second. The next one I'm going to look at is energy, and I'll explain, well, the reason I'm going to look at energy next is because if I find what the unit of energy is, then whatever that unit of energy is divided by seconds will give me my unit of power. So let's find energy. We can say energy is equivalent to work done, and work done is force times distance, so that means a joule is equal to a Newton meter. We know newtons are units of force, and force is mass times acceleration, and that means a newton is equal to a kilogram meter per second squared. And if I substitute these numbers or these letters for newtons here, I discover that a joule is equal to a kilogram meter squared per second squared, and which is not what we've got here. We've got kilogram meter squared per second, not per second squared, so that's incorrect. Now, as I said before, power is equal to energy over time, which means a watt is a joule per second. And if I said a joule is that equivalent, if I then divide by seconds, I'll find out what a watt is. So a watt is kilograms meters squared over seconds cubed, which is what we've got here. You can do the same with potential difference and prove that this one isn't correct. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was useful. Press that subscribe button, press the like button, share with your friends, and watch more of them, please.